this a weird intro? That was thunder. Can you hear that? Is this a weird intro? Hello, my olives. Sorry if you hear the thunder in the background. A storm is literally coming. Hello everyone, today I'm going to film my skincare routine because it's been requested a lot on my Instagram. I did a poll on Instagram whether you wanted a one brand curly routine or a skincare routine, so I'm going to start it here now because it's the end of the day and I was just about to take my makeup off and I thought I would video it. So yeah, I wear a lot of makeup for work, for photos and videos, and then usually at the end of the day I'll take my makeup off and have a shower and then do my skincare routine. So before I go have a shower, I'm going to take my makeup off. Also, I just want to be honest and say I do have good skin because I am on the pill. I don't really want to say what kind of pill because I don't want people to like just go on the pill just for the sake of having clear skin. Like, everyone's different and suits different types of birth control pills. But yeah, anyway, I just wanted to disclaim that because I think that does help with my acne. I used to have it worse before I went on the pill. I would get a lot of pimples around my forehead, so I think if I went off the pill my acne would get worse. But yeah, it does help. I still get pimples though. Anyway, I just use micellar water to take my makeup off. I'm really basic with my skin routine. So yeah, we're just gonna take my makeup off. I actually hate the feeling of wearing makeup. Like, I hate it. Like, I always have makeup wipes in my bag so that after an event or whenever I'm going home I can just wipe it all off because I hate the feeling. In terms of face wipes, I literally just buy whatever's the cheapest at Woolworths or Priceline. Like, I have these Anko green tea facial wipes right now. I think they were from Kmart. Let's go in with the micellar water. I just use these cotton pads. Okay, so makeup is all off. I have eyelash extensions on. I get really red in the corners of my eyes. Anyway, I don't add anything until I have a shower, so I'll go have a shower and I need to charge my camera actually, and then I'll be back. Can you hear those birds? They're so loud. Shush, birds! Okay, so it's actually the next day because after I had a shower last night I just felt a bit sick and run down and I was like, I'll just wait till tomorrow. Oh my god, can those birds be quiet? Yeah, I just went to bed without doing anything to my skin and I woke up with a pimple, which I popped. I always pop my pimples, like, I know that's bad, but... So after I shower, I tone my face. This toner I've been using since I was like 12. Like, it's just the one my mum bought me and I've loved it ever since. I always use it. It's the Nivea Refreshing Toner. It's for normal and combination skin. That's what it looks like. You can get it at Woolworths or Priceline. So I use this after I shower. It's just really refreshing and helps even out all the oils in my face. Let me tie up my hair a bit. Sorry, I just changed up my lighting situation because there was like lines on the screen, so I think that's better. Okay, now I'm going to cleanse my face with this cleansing brush and this kind of face wash bubble mask. So this is the Totally Takeaway Skin Purifying Bubble Mask with Rashol Clay and Tea. And the brand is Formula 1006. So make sure you have clean hands. And this wash kind of bubbles up on your face. And this cleansing brush is from Gobareskin, and it's got different levels. I think it's got 5 levels of intensity, so I just use the lowest one as I work through my face. Basically it just vibrates and helps to get into your pores and get all the dirt out. It's like a nice facial massage as well. And then that's easy to wash in the sink. And then usually I'll rinse my face in the sink, but I've got some water here, so I'll just spray my face and then wipe it off. Okay, so that feels all nice and fresh. I'm gonna do a blackhead strip, so I'll show you which strips I use. But before I do that, I just use this device from Lumaeskin. So it sucks out all the dirt and clogged areas in your face, and I basically just do it around this area and then I do a strip. So it's got like a suction function, and yeah, so see it, like, you can do different strengths, but that's basically what it does. sensitive skin that gets red easily, so it's a bit red there. These are the Blackhead strips I use. It's the Be Your Free Your Pores 6 Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. So you just need to wet your nose. You just need to wet your nose. And then I just leave this on until it gets really hard, and then you slowly peel it off and you can see all the dirt that comes out. And while that's on, I'm gonna do a face mask. So I have a few, but my favorite brand right now is the Forumla 1006 brand. They have a lot of different types of masks. So this is the oil controlling mud mask. This is my favorite, the breakout calming mask, peppermint and coconut. I just use it when I'm stressed because it really cools down your face, and I don't know, it's really calming for me. So I'm gonna use this one today. Another mask that I loved for a really long time was the Alia pink mud mask, but I used it up already. You can get it in Priceline, but it is more pricey, whereas this is like, I think this was like $8. This one kind of dissolves into your skin, so you don't have to wash much off. It smells like peppermint. I hope you're all doing well with the craziness that's going on. I know I've started to really stress out about it. Like, I've told people to stop sending me stuff, like all those stories about young people and just all the crazy stories that are going on. I've like told people to stop sending me stuff because it just spreads panic for me. It's good to be aware of stuff and to watch the news, but not too much not so much so that it makes you like freak out, because yeah, I've been starting to freak out a bit, so I'm just trying to detox from watching the news and relax. And doing a nice pamper routine always helps. But yeah, this is my favorite mask. I've used it for years. It's the Keep Your Cool Breakout Calming Mask. So yeah, I'll leave this on until it gets hard, and then I'll leave this on until it's more dissolved into my face, and I'll come back. Okay, so I rinsed off the mask after it dissolved for a bit, and now it's time to take off this. I always cry when I take it off. It makes my eyes water. Oh! My eyes get really red on the corners. I just realized that when I went to get my eyelashes done, she's like, oh, your eyes are red in the corner. And I was like, oh, I've never noticed that. Like, why does it do that? You guys have any recommendations for under eye things? Because sometimes I feel like I get really bad bags. Recommend me some in the comments. Also, if I get really big pimples, I do usually get them a lot on my chin. I've got this breakout cream that I use. I just leave some of this on the pimple. It's the Breakout Cream by Rosen Skincare. Also, this video isn't sponsored in any way, but I do have some discount codes with some of the items, so I'll make sure to leave that on the screen if you guys want to try any of these out. And the product that I probably use the most is the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturiser. So you can get this from Priceline. It's $10 and it's just an amazing moisturizer for my skin. I have like normal to combination skin. It doesn't really get dry. It's very normal, I'd say. It's like in between oily and dry. But yeah, I probably use this at least 2 times a day. It just helps keep all the oils balanced, and I feel like it helps with pimples too, so. And I just don't feel complete without moisturizing my skin. Like, it's an essential for every day. For my eyebrows, I just use tweezers, but I also use waxing strips for like places above and under the eyebrows. So the facial wax strips I use is by Nads. You can get this from Woolworths or Priceline. Basically, it just comes with little strips, and I cut them in half, and then I use them for above and under my eyebrows. Anyway, that's about it. I think it's best to finish off with a nice hydrating moisturizer to set your face and just control all the oils and stuff. I don't think any of the products I use are fancy or expensive. I don't know, I'd rather spend more money on hair care and clothes than skincare. Hopefully this routine helps some of you out if you're not sure how to take care of your skin. I know I never used to moisturize my skin ever because I thought like I had oily skin and it would just make it more oily. But yes, this is the state of my skin after my routine. I'm also half Filipino, which I think Filipinos have really nice juicy skin, apparently. Don't forget to check out my Instagram and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos from me. I'll see you in my next one.